go into my YouTube channel and check it out. But there is going to be a delay on YouTube. Okay, there is going to be a delay on YouTube. So my biggest recommendation is that you actually use the webinar section. So first of all, hey YouTube, if you guys are watching me on YouTube, make sure you smash the like button as usual to support this channel. Welcome to this live streaming where I'm going to be pretty much trading live with you. And also, I also have activated the webinar for the people in the BLW Binary Master app right here. Basically, the people inside of the BLW Binary Master app will actually have access live, like with no delay or anything like that. Let me just go ahead and share my screen because that's what I haven't really shared. Hold on. Hold on a second. Screen. There you go. All right. So now the people inside of the BLW Binary Master app can see my screen, and people on YouTube can see my screen and can also see my face. But the people inside of the BLW Binary Master app will actually see in real time my trades in real time. People inside of the YouTube, you guys will actually have like a 20-second delay that could actually really end up affecting, you know, the entries of the trades. Let me know, the BLW Binary Master app people, if you guys can see my screen. And we're about to begin. For those of you who don't know what's going on here, I trade every day binary options at 15 GMT with the BLW Binary Master app. If in case you guys want to be part of it, I'm going to put the link to it in the description of this video. I think you guys are watching me on 4K if I'm not mistaken. Let me know if the streaming is good. Try to put it on 1080p if your internet is not the best. Let me just go ahead and give that a try. Here I trade every day binary options at 15 GMT. Just let me go ahead and check. Okay, if you put it in 1080p, you guys will be good to go. If you guys have an internet connection, you guys can go up to 1440. I'm sorry, 1440 on quality. But yeah, I hope that's actually clear. So let's go ahead and start looking for some trades, and we're gonna have some Q&A at the end of this session as usual. People in the BLW Binary Master app, you guys can see my screen. You guys can see me, can see my screen actually, all right? If you can, let me go ahead and start looking for opportunities right now. I'm actually putting my balance, my initial balance of the week inside of my report because I want to keep track of how much money I make, because I usually share it every, like on a daily basis, but it's 70,905.92. All right, so that's my initial balance. We're gonna see how much we end up making this week. Let's just go ahead and turn on the AC. There we go. All right. Thank you for the likes, for people joining in. We almost have 100 people live in YouTube. So let's go ahead and jump into making some money. Some of the trades, you guys will have better entries than myself. It's completely normal, but you guys know how the deal is. USD CAD is looking good for call position once the RSI touches. Right now it hasn't. Some people will actually join or enter those trades even if I don't. That's really up to you. For instance, right here I enter at one drop, I enter at the second, the RSI is touching, it continues to go down, so you have to be very careful. I won't have any more entries right now because I see that the RSI is getting broken. I'm just gonna enter one at the beginning of this candle, this new candle. But honestly, this is a risky trade, so we might have started wrong. By the way, did you guys see the results from last week? It was actually very few signals that I sent last week, but it was good. This one, no more entries. The RSI is completely broken, so no more entries on this one. I don't think I'm gonna win any of these three. So better just to go ahead and stay away from it. Whenever the RSI gets broken, for those of you who are new, you stop entering the trade. Whenever the RSI gets broken, you stop entering trades. All right? Hopefully that makes sense. Yeah, on those ones, I don't think, yeah, I'm not going to win any of them. Take a look at the drop. And this is because the RSI was actually broken. Okay? You see? It's not pushing up. Euro USD also was pushing really hard going up. As a matter of fact, it's actually breaking the daily resistance line, which is not cool. But yeah, that's Forex though. YouTube questions. I'm gonna have a few minutes for Q&A at the end of the session, but right now, if I do it, I'm gonna lose focus, so it wouldn't be good. All right. GBP AUD, I think, is gone. Also AUD USD. Let's see, Euro CAD call, but let me see where the RSI is standing though. There you go. It's actually looking good. All right. As usual, people inside of the BLW Binary Master app, you guys can comment and ask questions as well. And as soon as I have the time, I'll go ahead and answer you. For those of you who don't know, I do have like a priority service of signals, which is in the BLW Binary Master app. So I'm going to answer them. Have you guys noticed though that every time I actually have a session where I show my face, I usually have bad results for some reason, at least myself, you know? Look right here. I'm losing 2. If you guys enter at the moment that the RSI was actually touched, then you guys probably are safe, because this would be the best entry point right here at the beginning of this candle. You see? So patience is key here. And let me know in the live chat, what are your results? I usually send the signals like, I don't know, like 10, 20 seconds before. Sometimes even a couple of candlesticks before. So even on YouTube, I think you will be able to follow us, and at least in some trades, right? This one right here, if you enter at the right time, it was a winner. 1-1 so far. Yeah, myself too. What was the first one though? USD CAD. Let me just go ahead and put it, because it's a loss. So we gotta put it. Thank you people on YouTube as well. If you guys are joining in, make sure you smash the like button to support this channel, and also follow me on all social media. Instagram, Twitter. Well, Twitter, I don't post much, but you just follow me there. All right, I see Euro UAD, AUD. It will look for a call, but we gotta wait for a drop and the RSI to touch. And based on this resistance, I would say it's right here, this support line. It's just as a reference, right? All right, Euro GBP is looking good for a put. But take a look at the stochastic. All right, the stochastic is actually crossing going up, so it's gonna push it up until it touches the RSI, but then it's gonna drop. If not, it's going to drop right now without touching the RSI level. We're gonna see. Nah, it's gonna drop right now. I don't think it's gonna push up that much. If it does, we're gonna have more entries, but it's unlikely. Let's just wait and see. How much risk should I use? They ask on YouTube. No more than, with this strategy, no more than 3% of your balance. All right. Thank you. I think this one's gonna push up a little bit more in order to give us more entries, and I'm gonna lose the first entry though. There you go. Right now it should start dropping. Christopher says Euro CAD in the money. Yeah, you probably won that one. And you know what? There are no news today. For those of you wondering if we checked that there were news, there are no news. Right now, there's nothing going on. So it's just the market being crazy because it broke again the RSI level. It just got broken, which means no more entries, right? Euro AUD in the money. Good job. Euro GBP. Some people won the Euro GBP. Probably your expiration was slightly before that. Take a look at it. Yeah, the RSI is completely broken. Some people won it. Not sure what expiration you guys entered, but good job. I guess some mixed results right there. Yeah, some people lost it too. Look, RSI broken. Not clear. Not clear. Yeah, it's pretty jumpy. Take a look. The RSI was broken here on that one. All right, this one got activated, I think, but I wasn't looking at it. Did anybody enter GBP AUD though? Because it was a good one. Well, you know, we were looking at some other pairs. Right now, it's actually giving us a new entry point, so I don't know. Maybe this will recover me. Euro GBP in the money, says someone here. That's good job. Where was it? Yeah, because it started dropping later on after the breakout, but it's not what we're looking for, you know. But good job that you guys were able to catch that win. If I don't win these ones, I'm not gonna trade anymore. I can send more signals, but I'm not gonna trade anymore. My drawdown is not good today. You see? Now, the RSI again got broken. Right now, the stochastic is kind of a pushing and down, but after a huge uptrend, now it's like pushing really hard going down. So it's not really safe to enter this specific pair anymore. Share your results, people, from the BLW Binary Master app right here. Share your results. I want to see how you guys are doing. Maybe if I'm not doing good myself, some of you guys. Lewis is over. Yeah. 6 OTM. Okay, you shouldn't enter 6 times. Let me see the questions real quick. Related to this topic, right? What time frame? Time frame of the candlesticks is 30 seconds and the expiration is 1 minute. Okay, I'm gonna answer this Binance question once and that's it, because I don't know. You're copy pasting and you guys know that I banned you for that. When you withdraw Bitcoin to Binance, how do you transfer to your bank? Okay, that depends on every country. I myself, I use a different broker called Abra or localbitcoins.com. So it's, you know. Do you trade OTC? No, I don't trade OTC. I have a 6,000 plus account. How do you recommend I withdraw? Can I take 2,000 out? Yeah, if you already made that 2,000 extra profits, then yeah. Okay. All right, that's just personal conversation. All right, so go ahead and share with me. Oh, okay, so I'm reading right now. Yeah, it's not the best day today. We have days like this, but I guess it's fine, right? What was the pair? The one that I actually... There was another one. I'm missing a signal here. Hold on. USD, Euro AUD. What happened with Euro AUD? Oh, but it didn't touch. Euro CAD. What happened here? Was what a call? Oh, but that one we entered before. Yeah. Yeah, this is the first time. I tell you, whenever I use the camera, for some reason, I don't know, something goes wrong. I don't know if, I don't know. I don't want to say anything, but I don't know if the broker like literally looks at what I'm doing and then when they see I'm live or something, I'm not sure. Because this only happens on YouTube. It's all right. Thank you. Thank you for the nice words for people who are actually right here. All right. I don't want to like sound like this, bull or anything like that. Like some people will actually say that probably we fake the results or something, and that's the reason why we got good results when we share on social media, but then it's not real when we stream on YouTube. So I want to let people in the group recommend it. Okay, people are recommending right now. Thank you, Fozzie. And I want to share your some of last week's results. I think this one is from what? Let me see. October 3rd till October 7th, 31 wins and 3 losses. And it was crazy because a lot of you guys had even better results than myself, 91.8. And then we have another one. And this one was actually on October 10th up until October 13th last week. We got 18 wins and 2 losses, 90%. So yeah, like I said, people right here can tell you what it's like to be inside of the BLW Binary Master app. Honestly, it's not every single day that we make a lot of money, but the days that we make money, we definitely recover a lot. Okay. 15 wins with Marcel today. Awesome. And let's see, we'll get it tomorrow. Many thanks. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you for the recommendations. All right, so we're gonna have a couple of minutes for Q&A on YouTube. I do appreciate the students of the BLW Binary Master app for backing me up here in one bad day. But I want to hear some questions from the audience on YouTube. Maybe if in case you guys want to share them, of course. Let me know. Do you want me? Do you have any questions? Slight Q&A of I don't know, a couple of minutes would be awesome. And yeah, we're gonna recover tomorrow. But tomorrow we're not gonna have a streaming on YouTube. This only happens every day at 15 GMT in the BLW Binary Master app. So if you want to actually get these signals and have live sessions with me every single day or with Marcel, which is also included, then go to BLW Binary Master app. This is Marcel's room. He finished the session early today. And I don't know his results so far. He's gonna share them later on, but yeah. All right, let me see. Thank you, you're the first trader. I see that is, in my opinion, legit and helpful. Thank you. And that 2,000 withdrawal wouldn't be a risk at all. Thank you for answering. No, as long as you don't actually withdraw more than 50% of your balance at once, they don't really care. They just go and just give it away. When you actually have a $10,000, $20,000 account and you withdraw the half of it, they usually call you. It's not that they're not gonna pay you, but they usually call you and try to get you not to do it. Thank you, Vendehumus. You used to use the Kellner channel. Why don't you not use it anymore? I don't know. I just don't use it anymore, you know? I actually think that it was a lot more profitable this way, you know? Is it my audio changed? I don't know. I'm just going to finish the webinar on the exclusive one and just going to stick to YouTube, right? Yeah, tomorrow, 15 GMT, everybody, on the BLW Binary Master app. All right. Where is it? All right, couple more questions. Will you continue to trade with binary options or will you focus in on Forex? I trade both. So I'm going to continue with binary. Like I said in my video, as long as I'm making money, there's no reason why I should stop. You use Quotex? I do use Quotex. Why do you think binary options disappear soon? I actually explained that on the video. You know. I'm not saying that it's going to disappear, but there's a risk. You know, it's an industry. Okay, because I had an account that I flipped to 8,000 from 200 on IQ Cent, and that was my first account. I was eventually closed due to suspicious activity because I tried to withdraw 3,000. I don't know. I never used that company. Now with Pocket Option, that doesn't happen at all. I've actually made withdrawals for over $70,000 with Pocket and Quotex, so it's not gonna happen. All right, I do appreciate that you guys were here, people. As usual, thank you for being in this streaming, and more importantly, make sure that you join me on the blwbinarymaster.com website in case you want to be part of the session. Thank you very much for